See me feeling myself. Like, I was feeling like I'm leading.
Is Ariel, Kaiser, and a mama.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. If you are just tuning to my channel for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you so much for being here, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. You are the absolute best. So guys, this is a pool in Indianapolis. It's called Splash Island Indoor Water Parks. It's a very good place to go have fun. It's just built like, the beach with all the palm trees around to give you that feel, because we don't really have a beach in Indianapolis per se, a real beach. Some people will say yes, we do have a beach, but that's not a beach anyway. So on this day we decided to come out with the kids, myself and Anita of Anita Frederick TV, a couple of friends, family members. We decided to come have fun at the pool, because in this Indiana, when the weather is hot, it is hot. Like, guys, literally, I mean, when it is hot, because the weather is going to be humid. Like, it's really humid when it's hot. Like, you don't even see that fresh air to breathe in. It's crazy. Anyway, guys, so we decided, we're taking advantage of the weather during the summertime. Everyone wants to be out. So when we got here, it was really early in the morning. And as you can see, it's not a lot of people in the pool yet. So instead of taking our cameras inside the water, just quickly made a quick video giving you guys a feel of what the whole pool looks like. Instead of taking the cameras and going into the water, and then it's not good that knows how to behave. But it's in the fall inside water, you regret it all because of YouTube. Because I wanted to make content.